Hey guys, welcome back to the final video of Alex's WRC build. In this one, we are going to finish any kind of body prep stuff. We are going to paint the whole car inside and out, and we are going to assemble the whole car, get on its proper brakes, and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright guys, we are back after the paint on the rally car here, and as you can see, it is super wild. So this is a Porsche acid green. So if you want to be seen, this is one way to do it, that is for sure. What I will say in masking this versus masking a normal car, it was very in-depth to do it because we want to keep the whole underside of the car white and the exterior green. So there was a lot of masking. We had to mask everything right down to the ground, 100% all the way around, including all the holes into the interior so that we also didn't get any sort of green mist on our nice painted white interior. So needless to say, this took us a long time to mask. I'll give you a little demo of our scheme here. Everything was pretty much like triple mask. So there is the paper, and then here we have our actual, I believe, tape line somewhere. This is just our plastic. Keep mist out of, again, the wheel wells and everything else underneath. And then now the grand finale, the tape line here. So that is cool, super cool. So we have been calling this car the Gummy Frog. Not sure if you guys are familiar with those little green frog candies. So they're bright green with a white belly. And this car really hits the spot in that aspect. wild. So this is gonna look totally insane with the white tarmac wheels on it. We just got some rollers on it for now because I would rather get mist on these than on the nice white tarmac wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead here, unmask the rest of the car, we're gonna get this out of here, and then we are gonna move on to all the individual pieces, which I feel like there's so many loose pieces. I probably have to do it in 2 waves, but we'll see how it goes.
paint them. This is what it looked like on the slate.
Alright everyone, well that wraps up this series for Alex's WRC build. So I definitely had a lot of fun doing this. This was really cool. The results are astounding. The car turned out absolutely just wild. Probably a lot nicer than it should be for a race car, but that's kind of our thing here, is doing nice work. Overall, there was some, new things I had done in this, like fitting for the fuel cell. The front fender tubs were new. That was relatively, a pleasant experience, something cool to add to the repertoire. And overall, the visual in this car is just like stunning, like absolutely crazy. Well, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, where we are going to be starting another WRC car. And it should be super cool. It's going to be more of a street grade type car. And I look forward to taking you guys along for the ride.